fantastic facilities, of which we're very proud of.
At the moment we've got 30 service partners in the globe.
Yes, the Active Edge tool is basically an automatically adjustable system.
Well, it gives you, as well as the micron accuracy, it gives you the repeatability.
Part of our job is to basically make sure that the first stock parts are correct. So we've got a specification of the part we need to conform to.
That's going to enable us to move our tool makers out into a bigger facility, and that will create another third of our workshop for more machinery.
Just doing some analysis on the RA value to get the surface finish on the walls, you can get savings of up to 90% by using this method.
I think mainly it was flexibility. The machine is very rigid, very stable. We see that from customer feedback.
It's unique to Trump. This is one of the first times you can see it in the UK being cut this kind of material on a solid state laser cutting machine.
I've got here behind me a Hardinge GS150.
So we're doing Inconels, titaniums, P20s, D2s.
With Sicko Suggest, it's a quick way, getting the answer that you need in seconds.
At a very good price for these machines compared to a full CNC, it's worth the purchase.
Every day we're revamping 650 R&D staff within the factory. We're always bringing something new to the marketplace.
It's designed for flexibility, so we can obviously take it from one machine, we can transfer it to another machine quite easily.
Basically, we're aiming this machine at companies doing high value, complicated, intricate parts.
Excellent support from Houghton over the years. Probably, I don't know, it must be 8-9 years now we've been in collaboration with Houghton.
We sell anything and everything to do with archery, and we manufacture a lot of our own products.
We're actually taking a system where it has less operator interaction.
Design and analysis services to the hands-on instrumentation application or to on-site support.
Let's imagine the UK left the EU. It would be great if some of the money we save could be put into manufacturing engineering apprenticeships. That would be a really sensible, value-add, meaningful thing to do with the cash.
Here we have 275 people on site, and that's growing. We're relentlessly recruiting in the UK from all disciplines.
Well, what we show today is 14 stations. 11 are manned by Starrag or Heimer, and there are 3 that are showing the potential and the solutions of different partners from us.
100's got a very neat footprint in its class. There's not many machines that can offer this kind of capability on such a small footprint.
And basically, what we're demonstrating here is multiple setups. So obviously this is the demonstrations that we recently ran at MAC.
On here we can achieve 5 mil. I mean we've got the ability to close the door, so you've got the safety.
It's our goal to have the most dedicated and most advanced solution for our customer.
So we called on Robodrill, Fanuc Robodrill, and they delivered this very shiny machine, as you say, and it came up trumps basically.
We can split parts, so if we've got a part that's too big for the build tray, we can easily within seconds split that part in half to make sure it fits on your build.
MHP was established in 1972, primarily as pattern makers, soon moving into tool making.
So myself and Joe, we're in the training room. We're equipped now with our manuals and our notepads, and I think we're ready to go, aren't we?
Just the current micro, and we can adapt to the customer needs. So we start with the application, try to find the best process that fits into the production of the customer.
Crowded halls, crowded visitor-wise, but also packed with exhibitors. We have more exhibitors than ever, more than 1,450 companies exhibiting at AMD show this year.
Drill mill machine, and it's in correspondence to the existing DT machine, which is more drill tap machine.
Numbers are up significantly on last year, and I think there's been a real buzz in the atmosphere.
Welcome to Swarf and Chips. We are bringing you all the latest news and technology.
Hardinge have now produced a 5-axis machine, which is the XT machine, which you can see here.
Well-made machines. They've always had that, so that's what we're going.
experience of Sodic are absolutely on par with anything out there.
We wanted to bring out a range of taps that were made on our own machines to be able to make them at a lower cost and therefore sell out a universal application tap.
People wanted extra travel, bigger tool changer, through spindle coolant, faster spindles and so forth. And the VM10s ended up growing and being more than it originally was.
On this particular machine, because we have the 32 pallets at the front of the machine and up to 520 cutting tools, you can get very high, in the high 90s of utilisation.
So the idea behind the drone demonstration was to give a general overview of the benefits and capabilities of both IoT and augmented reality.
We have assembly department, turning department, milling, deburring, inspection. We are basically everything in one place, if you like.
Consider this machine from DMG Mori. Now this is an EcoMill 800V.
Widdy have brought out a small Verimill catalogue with increased ranges.
We found this one today here at Ward High Tech. This is a Hwachon 850 machine.
New to the UK, the SR32 J2. So let's get inside and have a look.
For what we wanted, this machine was the most versatile for us. It allowed us to do as much as we could within this price range.
But there are some clear advantages that will affect our customers in terms of greater throughput, greater productivity, higher utilisation of their machine tools.
Still got plenty of stock available, and we've even wrapped some of them up for you ready for Christmas.
You'll give him an apprentice to work with that machine?
What we're going to do is we're going to fund and sponsor an apprentice in the first year for that particular company.
So we're inside DMG Mori's showroom here in Coventry. This machine is a DMU 75 monoblock 5-axis machining centre. There are several monoblock machines within the range, but the 75 and the 95, this one here and the 95, come to a certain specification.